Sections of Wattown and St. Anne remain tense following a police fatal shooting this week. The incident has sparked outrage from residents who took to the streets yesterday. And as you'll hear in this report, they also challenged the police's version of incidents. Residents of Wattown St. Anne gathered in a prayer circle on Friday, 24 hours after a fatal shooting by an off-duty police in the community. The prayers followed a protest by residents demanding justice.
I would call on the Commissioner of Police, if him can come down here himself, or send the highest investigating officers to come here, because we won't sit down. This is not a 9-day walk or talk. This is going to be forever until we get justice for Darren.
It's heartrending. My heart is aching. I am suffering in silence, and I need some answer.
It's alleged that the deceased O'Neill Watson, otherwise called Darren, and the police officer were embroiled in a love triangle. Reports are that sometime after 12 Thursday morning, the police was sitting in his vehicle when he was dragged by Watson, who had a stone and threatened to kill him. The officer, fearing for his life, pulled his weapon and discharged 2 rounds. However, residents have challenged the police's version.
It's all been covered. And the whitewash, what them paint upon Darren is not that kind of person. Darren is a person who will look for you and laugh you to scorn. But he not hurt you, he not draw straw, he not draw weapon at you. That man don't walk with a knife. He never walk with a knife. I've never seen him with a cutting tool. He's always smiling.
The community members described Mr. Watson as a peaceful and hardworking coach who was well loved by children in the community. And as residents demanded justice, tensions flared. However, the police sought to quell the tension.
SSP have a team of investigators who are investigating this thing, and I think it will be done thoroughly. I don't think anything will be left unturned. So it's asking them to demonstrate it and come peacefully.
Meanwhile, the Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the incident. Investigators have been gathering evidence and are expected to revisit the community in the coming days.